Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GD. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about the application of GD and we click here. Here you can click on force stop and we click OK. Then we will enter to the window of storage. And then here you can click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.